Chinchin. Happy 18th birthday, Chinchin. Wala naman ma-wish, kundi God bless again. God bless always.
Good health.
Good health lang.
Okay.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Ingat. Ito
We
lang
miss
handa
you.
namin sa inyo. Sa sayo na lang sa princess.
Oh, si Tito.
Oh, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, and I wish you have a good health and good future in life, and you have on in what you call this here. I wish your life that you give nice nice to plan and becoming a family.
Okay.
Last time.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay.